You know what I've never said in my lifetime? I can't wait to clean my windows. Yeah, I bet you either. That's why I'm very excited that now there is robots that will not only clean your windows, it washes its own pads, cleans itself practically, and basically removes window cleaning from your life entirely. So what we're looking at here today is the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI, and this thing is not just a robot, it's a full window cleaning system. And I'm genuinely curious, would you actually trust a robot to clean your windows while you just walk away and, I don't know, go watch Full House? Now I'm dating myself. Drop a comment down below if you would trust a robot that cleans your window. But let's be real for a second here. Cleaning windows is one of those chores that sounds simple until you actually go to do it. You're climbing ladders, stretching, missing spots, even though you bought that seen on TV window cleaner. And if you got big glass panel windows like I do here in Tucson, it's not just annoying, it's like a whole process and a project to clean these big windows. That's exactly why something like this exists. So what is the WINBOT W3? Well, it's a dedicated robot solution specifically designed for cleaning windows and other glass panels like you'll see here in this video. And ECOVACS, the company behind this, they're actually the global leader in robotic window cleaning and other robotic cleaners for that matter. But the big shift here is the W3 OMNI. This isn't just about cleaning better, it's really about removing everything you used to have to do when it came to cleaning the windows or even using robot cleaners, because you still had to clean the pads on the robot cleaner, but not anymore. I know that sounds like a lot of marketing hype, but I'm currently experiencing it. And here's where things get very interesting, because the biggest upgrade on the W3 isn't just the robot, it's the station itself. I've reviewed their previous W2 version, and the W3 is a huge step forward because the W3 OMNI has something called CrossLoop cleaning system, which basically means everything happens automatically, start to finish. When it's done cleaning your window, it actually comes back down to where the station is. And the station then washes the pad for you. Now, you do have to take the pad off the robot and put it in the station, but there's no touching the dirty pad, no going over to the sink and rinsing it for several minutes. It's a step that I've had to do manually with robot window cleaners, and you won't have to either. You simply take it off of the robot, stick it into the base station, and it cleans everything internally. So the maintenance doesn't shift back over to you when the robot should be doing everything, right?
Also, one thing to note is you do want to pull these out and air dry them when you're done washing your windows. You don't want to leave them inside the base station. And I also recommend that you just prop this open and wipe that out and just let it air dry before you close this up and put it away.
And here's where there's a real big difference. Let's talk about the actual cleaning performance of the W3, not just all the marketing hype, because I get that people are still skeptical if a robot can actually clean your windows. The ECOVACS WINBOT W2 OMNI did a fantastic job in my previous testings, and the W3 takes it to a whole nother level, because what you really want to see is me washing something in real time with real contrast, right? Not just a robot moving around, but actual visible cleaning results. So here is my window completely dirty with dust and grime and everything. Let's see how it does.
Look at how dirty this window is. So this window, extremely dirty all the way up there.
We're going to see if the WINBOT W3 can handle this level of mess. So I think this would be a good little test. Look at all that nastiness on there. Really nice to have a better view of our pool and mountains and everything if this window would actually get clean. There we go. Look at how clean that window is. Probably doesn't translate completely through camera, but I'm telling you, this glass is so sparkly clean. See the pool again out there? So much better now. Now, there are other window cleaning robots in the market, but the problem is edges, corners, frames of windows. Not a problem here. This uses something called true edge cleaning, which means it actually passes into the edges and lifts as it moves away from the edges, so it doesn't get hung up. You're not getting that leftover little corners and nooks and crannies and grime around the borders. It gets right into it. They've designed these little things on the side that actually wipe it. It sprays and then wipes. In fact, there are 3 nozzles that lay down the cleaning solution first. So dirt gets broken down while it's cleaning and actually ahead of it passing by. So it sprays and then it wipes as it passes. And that's what helps it avoid streaks and drag marks or just pushing dirt around. And believe it or not, this robot actually thinks while it's cleaning. I know it's hard to believe, but I've literally watched it kind of figure things out as it went, which is bizarre. It uses smart navigation to adapt to your real world glass, not just perfect square windows, but windows with handles, frames, different shapes. To an extent, it does adjust on the fly instead of following fixed patterns. Now, if you have crazy regular windows or crazy curved windows and stuff, you might want to reevaluate if this is the right one for you. But overall, standard windows, it handles extremely well in my testing when I threw it on different ones, like sliding doors, large exterior panels. This isn't a one scenario product, and it really adapted to the scenarios. It's built for modern homes and a lot of glass, which I have here in this house. Let's talk about another thing that a lot of people worry about. What happens if this thing falls off the glass? The ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI is kind of overkill, possibly, but it has safety systems built all into the base station itself. The base station is very weighted for one thing. There's a strong suction system on the robot itself, and everything is connected with a dual cable system that locks it in place with the included safety cable. So you can literally just stick this outside your window from multiple stories up, and you're covered from a safety standpoint. So even if things do go wrong, the base station and the WinBot is not going to go anywhere because it's tethered. And if the power cuts out, it actually stays attached for up to 30 minutes, which is kind of crazy. It will continue to suction there until you can go and retrieve it, which is huge peace of mind, especially on higher windows. You can also run it plugged in or on the included battery, which is very convenient because you just take it around from window to window and don't worry about outlets. You're really covered anywhere you want to take this and clean windows. And it might be a little bit of a small thing, but something that I love. One button, and it retracts the cable automatically. No messy winding up the cable. It just sucks it right back into the base station, ready to use for the next time. Now, if you're concerned about the price, here's a question for you. One professional cleaning service can cost the same as one of these WINBOT W3 OMNIs, and that's every time you go to use it. So the price really becomes a non-issue because you buy it once and it just keeps cleaning your windows over and over and over again without complaining, without leaving streaks, and without having to schedule people coming over to your house. And honestly, that's the real story here. It's freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on other things. This isn't about getting a slightly better cleaning. This is about removing window cleaning altogether from your life, which I'm for one all for. You set it up, you pour in the cleaning solution, you press the start button, it suctions the glass, and you can walk away. You come back to clean glass. No follow-up, no cleaning the pads. It just cleans your windows for you. So I want to know, where would you actually use this? What type of windows do you have in your house that you could see using the W3 on? Maybe big living rooms, shower glass, second story windows you never want to get on a ladder and touch? Drop it down in the comments below. I'm curious, how would you use the WINBOT W3 OMNI? Because for me, living here in Arizona with dust, pollen, and big glass panels that collect everything, including the occasional bird that runs into it, this is one of those things that just makes sense and is a must-have in the ManShed household. And at the end of the day, if you've seen what window cleaning robots can do before, well, the W3 OMNI is the version that finally takes that last chore off my plate, and I'm pretty confident it can take that off your plate as well. So that's it. That's everything that I've got on the WINBOT W3 OMNI, and it's the upgrade that I would highly recommend and certainly ManShed approved. So check the links in the description below. Of course, I've left them for you to get the best price as always, and I'll see you guys on the next video.